Alright, it's Saturday, time to do some projects, and today is to re-screen this door, because as you can see, it's a mess. I can actually put my arm all the way through here. I mean, that's going to let some bugs in, right? So, we have a roll of screen, we have tools, let's do it. So the first thing we're going to do is rip out all this old screening. So we got the screen out, and we'll trim the rest of the pieces out when we get the door off. Alright, next we're going to take the screen and measure it out and attach it to the door. Now we're going to cut the roll to the right length and then attach this long side right here, and then we can go around and trim all the excess off and finish attaching. Alright, the screen is cut to length. Now we're going to attach it all along this side. Do I look like a Jedi to you? Wah! And there we have it. That's the inside of the door done. So we're going to do a dual layer. Turn this over and do the exact same thing on the other side. Let's do it! Alright, that's it. Screen is on. Everyone say yay!
Yay!
Alright, time to reattach the door. Everyone gather round. Open the outside door. Open the outside door. Okay, here's the test. Everyone ready?
Yeah.
Here it comes. And close.
Yeah.
Yeah! Yeah!